All right, happy Friday, 3shapers. This is a very quick video here about a unique situation that I'm in. I'm sure some of you have encountered this before. So this is a case that we designed with custom abutments that we sent to Medentica for milling. They're Dent Sply Zive ones, so 4.5 on both sides. Sent those custom abutments off, and we built a model. So the only issue is when we go to order those analogs, you can see here they're back ordered until the 24th of April at least. So, I mean, I don't want to keep the office waiting just for analogs when we have the custom abutments and the crowns already milled. So, we're going to go ahead and do something different. We're going to swap these out for Des ones because I know Des has them in stock. So, I'm just going to order the corresponding Des 4.5. I think it's the 040 here. So how are we going to do that though? There's two ways. Obviously, you can pre-align, kit swap, and do everything like that. But there's a much quicker way as well. So that involves going into the control panel, going into the desk kit, finding the actual corresponding analog, and I'm going to go here to my orders, open up the actual order where it was designed. It's going to have this Explorer window here. We're going to go to this external models folder, and inside you're going to have this Medentica abutment. So I've gone ahead and grabbed this 14040 as well as the corresponding analog file, which is this one here, 14040, PEL2, and we went and pasted it in here so we can see it's inside of this folder. And the only other thing we want to confirm is that the Medentica one and the Des one correspond with each other, which they do. They're in the same spatial coordinates. There's no rotation to the hex, so everything is lined up as it should be. So what does that tell us? That tells me that this file here for the Des is in line with these ones for the Medentica. So all we got to do is swap out these two shells because this is what the system is booleaning for the cut. So you go ahead. We're going to go back into our folder here. And we're going to go ahead and grab this T81 analog file here, copy, name it original, go to this one, name it analog, and then we're going to go ahead and right click on the model, go build model. It's going to open it up, model builder. There it is. And then we're just going to go ahead and run through. I just like to verify at the generate die steps that it's actually switched over to the Des ones. Again, you can remember that this one here is the Medentica one, the little short stubby with the press in. And then the Des cutout is this one that just matches their. They don't have a separate print analog. They just have a regular same analog for both. So now we can see here that we've switched out those files. You have these Des analogs in place. So I can just go ahead and run through the rest of my model builder, set my articulator in place, put the name in, and off you go. So hopefully this helps for you guys if you ever run into this issue with back-ordered analogs, and you can very quickly and easily kit swap out the analog cutout. All right, thanks.